This curry rice idea was given to me by my 4-year-old son, and let me tell you, I had to make a video about it because it was that good.
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
So to start off this curry, we need 1 medium onion dice, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and that's just going to give us a little kick of spice because you know we're dealing with curry. And here, of course, the master of the show, the curry powder. 1.5 teaspoon of that curry powder, 1/2 cup of coconut milk. Okay, you don't know curry and coconut make the thing nice. Over here we have 2 teaspoons of dry thyme. If you have fresh thyme, you can go ahead and use that. And of course, we have some kosher salt to season to taste. We're going to use about 3.5 to 4 teaspoons and 2 cups of frozen mixed vegetables. Now that's just going to be the wow factor in our rice. And you know, we can use water here or chicken or vegetable stock if we have any, but we're going to be using 4 to 5 cups of water, and of course some long grain white rice, which is 3 cups. In your hot pan, you're going to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of olive oil, and to that 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to add our onions. We're going to saute those for about 2 to 3 minutes until nicely translucent and softened. Gonna add to that our mixed vegetables, stir that in and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes while we wash our rice. Now you want to wash your rice to remove the excess starch, and once that water is nice and clear, that's an indication that your rice is ready. You want to totally drain this to get all that liquid off. Then we're going to add that directly into our vegetables and curry. Stir that in, ensuring to coat each and every rice grain with that curry as well as the butter so that we can get that pilaf method going. And pilaf is basically cooking with vegetables or stock. You know what I say? So taking a different approach. Then we're going to add to that our coconut milk, stir that in nicely. I'm just going to hit that with the 4 to 5 cups of water. We need that water to be an inch above the rice. We're going to give that a taste and season where necessary. In my case, I'm going to be seasoning with 1.5 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm just going to cook that rice for 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. So once you're able to see the rice grains, you're going to reduce that heat to low and add to that your foil paper to trap that extra steam in. Then we're going to be steaming this for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, just so to get that rice nice and fluffy. While that's cooking, we're going to be cooking off some chicken kebabs. This is going to be the showstopper. And of course, trust me, these are nothing short of deliciousness. I'm going to be cooking that off in my air fryer for 10 to 15 minutes until nice and juicy. Yeah man, the thing ready now, you know. See the rice there? Nice and fluffy as promised. Now we're just going to fluff that with a fork, you know what I say? And you're ready to serve. Once again, I have to say big up my 4-year-old son Jamir for this brilliant idea. and now I'm sharing it with the world because it's nothing short of deliciousness. Look how beautiful and fluffy those greens are. All that vegetable infused. We're gonna serve that up with some beautiful chicken kebabs. Top that off with some Greek yogurt. You can use tzatziki sauce if you have it. And trust me, you're in for a treat. The way this chicken is seasoned. You just match that Greek yogurt. Yeah, I tell you. I can use that garlic sauce. You feel like you're in the Middle East and India. So you want to try something new, if you never try out some Middle Eastern food if you've never tried it before. Trust me, I have a lot of friends from Egypt. I have a few from I want to say Iraq. Yeah, man. And I've had it before. Mine exact like theirs, to be honest, but pretty decent try. The chicken. Chicken will fall off the bone now. With that yogurt. Refreshing. Curry rice, but I hardly ever drink juice, and if I do drink juice, I have to have some water beside me. Juices I find too sweet though. Need some more yogurt. Chicken, nice and soft. Right off of the stick. That should fall off the bone. But right off the kebab stick, is it? The middle piece of chicken is juicy. I was here eating this and thinking to myself, like, what can I eat curry rice with? Can I eat with curry chicken? Brown stew chicken? No. You know, only heavy gravy, so I'm saying okay. And it's suggested to use the Greek yogurt. And trust me, with this chicken, if you're having a different chicken, it wouldn't be the best idea. But this chicken is seasoned just like the one that you get at a shawarma spot. You see? Oh God, it's just tender. I know this video is not about the chicken, but can I just tell you how tender and juicy this is? Chicken is just melting.
Yeah, me see another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, and have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.